Hello students, now we'll go for question number 15. Okay, read the question, listen properly everyone. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace of diamonds. All are diamonds. Total how many are there here? 5 cards. Total we got now. Total number of cards is equal to 5. Now come to the question. Probability of a, what is the probability of a card is Queen? Card is a queen. Okay? Yeah. First of all, card is a queen. How many are there? Total 5. Each one 1 only. Yes? Queens how many are there? Here 1. Only one queen we have. Obviously, other things also 1 only. But is asking only card is a queen. If you pick up from this, in this total 5 cards, what is the probability of a queen? That is the question. Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is equal to only 1 we have. Total number of outcomes, how many are there here? Total is equal to 5. Then probability of card is a card of a queen is what is answer automatically? Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. The answer is what is 1 by 5. Clear children in this? Total 5. Then card, if you take from the card, okay, what is the probability of a queen? That is 1 by 5. Okay. Now come to the second question. If the queen is drawn at and put aside, suppose you are taking as a queen, take outside. Okay, keep aside that one. That's a clearly given question. Put aside means total how many are there here? 5. If you drawn queen, keep aside. That means total how many cards now here? Only 4. Understanding I think everyone? Total 4. Because after taking out queen, put aside given condition. That's why we are taking out. Total is 5 and queen is gone. What is remaining? 5 minus 1? 4. That is total is equal to now 4 only. Okay. Now come to the question. What is the probability that the second card picked up, okay, whatever you are picking up, probability of an ace. Clear? Probability of ace card. How many aces are there in this 4? Only 1 we have again. Then total is how many are there? 4 only. Favorable outcomes of ace. It is only 1. The answer is what is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. 1 by 4. Second time. Now come to the B question. Probability of a queen. Probability of a queen. This is A and this is B. Probability of a queen. First, what are the favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes. Then you see, observe one thing here. Queen drawn and put aside. There is no queen actually. In this queen is not there clearly. What is asking? What is the probability of a queen? Then what is answer? It is impossible event. Impossible event means what is answer? It is a 0. The answer is 0. Favorable outcomes 0 because there is no queen. Already that put aside is given condition. Clear? Now probability of a queen is favorable outcomes is 0 and total is 4. 0 by 4, what is answer here? 0. Clear? What is this? If it is 0, it is impossible event. Because queen is not there in the box or cards. Clear? It is a 0. Just I will go for again once. Probability of a card is a queen. Total 5 cards first time. Then queen is only 1. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is answer is 1 by 5. Second time. If the queen drawn and put aside, keep outside. Total 5 are there. Queen is outside now. Then total 4 cards. Clear? Now total is only 4 cards. What is the probability of an ace? Ace how many are there is? Only 1. Probability of an ace is equal to 1 by favorable outcomes 1 and total is 4. Its answer is 1 by 4. Now B question. Probability of a queen. Queen, it's not there, it's already outside. Then what is the answer? It is favorable is 0 Then 0 by total number of 4. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. That is 0. Clear children?